Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Skillet. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a brand new DeFi passive income project that's about to launch called New Capital. So this one is going to be launching this coming Monday, July 8th at 10 o'clock UTC time. So mark your calendars and get ready because this one is an absolute banger as you're going to see in this video. So New Capital is actually quite a unique project for a number of reasons. So first of all, this one is one of the few projects where you can actually withdraw your initial capital whenever you want. So your funds are never locked, and that's something that you don't see very often with most DeFi projects these days. So of course that's fantastic to see. Now you invest in this project using USDT, and that can be USDT BEP20 on the Binance Smart Chain or USDT ERC20 on the Ethereum chain. The platform does accept both, so it's totally up to you. Now to me, given that choice, I think it's a no-brainer. I'll personally be going with the BEP20 version every time because it's just so fast and the gas fees are super low, etc. But hey, that's just me. Of course, you can use whichever one you prefer. Now, when you deposit your USDT, it's then used by the platform's algorithmic trading bots to trade Forex, which again is something that you don't see very often in the crypto world. And it's another thing that makes this platform so unique. So you can essentially use your crypto stablecoins to participate in the more traditional Forex markets in a completely passive way just through investing in this protocol and then sitting back and collecting your daily earnings. And your earnings do come in the form of USDT as well. So it's USDT in and USDT out. So I see it as essentially a way to accumulate more stablecoins, more USDT, without having to actually touch the Forex markets yourself, but instead allowing the platform to do that for you. Now, the platform operates during market hours, Monday through Friday, and another great thing about New Capital is, of course, that daily ROI. And I do mean daily because not only are the profits generated daily by the platform, but it actually pays out the rewards to the investors every day as well. And again, that is during the Monday through Friday market hours, and there's no locking period here, so those rewards become available immediately once they're paid out. Now, the daily ROI percentage is a healthy 0.5%, which to me seems like a really nice balance between profitability and sustainability. So this is in stark contrast to many other projects that are ultra high yield. And of course, those can be fantastic and we all love super high yields, but of course the super high yield projects tend to have shorter lifespans as well. Plus, they typically keep your initial locked for a period of time too. So this one strikes a really nice happy medium in my opinion. It seems like an excellent project overall. It's got some really cool features, including a compounding feature that allows you to compound your earnings over time. And we're going to talk about all that and more. So guys, make sure you stick around for this entire video because I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about New Capital. I'll show you around this project and explain exactly how everything works. We'll check out the dashboard and the white paper. And of course, if you do want to jump in on this project yourself, I've got the link down below in the description where you can get started. But first, before we get into it, if you're new to the channel, welcome to Crypto Skillet, where we talk about all things crypto and I share the latest and greatest DeFi projects and ways to make money in the crypto space. So if that's the kind of thing you're into, then go ahead and leave a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel. And do keep in mind that none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm an investor sharing my thoughts, experiences, and opinions. So always do your own research and never invest more than you're willing to lose into any crypto project. And now with that said, let's get into it. All right, so this is the New Capital website. And right up here at the top, they've got a countdown timer until the launch. And again, this is launching Monday, July 8th at 10 o'clock UTC time. Now down here below New Capital, it says bridging traditional finance with crypto. USDT investment with traditional market trading bots generating rewards. Then right here, they've got 3 buttons. So the first button is to launch the DApp itself. The second button takes you to an area where you can see the live trades on a third-party website. It's actually a super cool thing about this project, and we're going to look at that in just a minute. And then they've got a button to go to their white paper. And we're also going to take a look at that in just a moment as well. But first, if we scroll down here on the website, they've got some more information. So again, here it tells us that it's USDT in, daily rewards out, and those daily rewards are paid in USDT. USDT as well. And they've got anytime withdrawals, so you can make withdrawals whenever you want. As I mentioned before, as soon as those rewards are paid out into your account, they're immediately available. Now, they've also got a referral program as well, so if you like the project, you can share it with your friends and earn a little bit extra on top. Okay, now as we keep scrolling, it says our mission. Unlike traditional investment platforms, there's no need to register with a broker. You can invest directly using cryptocurrency, specifically USDT, on the Binance Smart Chain or the Ethereum blockchain. This simplifies the investment process and provides greater accessibility and convenience for our investors. Okay, then they tell us a little bit more about their DApp. They are using the power of trading bots managed by seasoned professionals. These bots are designed to operate with precision and efficiency, executing trades based on sophisticated algorithms and expert strategies. And again, these bots are operating within the Forex markets. Okay, then they've got some more information about their professional expertise. Of course, daily profits, which I mentioned before. They tell us we distribute profits on a daily basis, providing our investors with regular and reliable returns. This consistent income stream helps our investors plan their finances more effectively and enjoy the benefits of their investments promptly. Now, they also have withdrawal flexibility. It says, understanding the need for financial flexibility, we allow our investors to withdraw their principal investment. And again, that's something that you don't see very often with DeFi projects, and that's one thing that really sets this platform apart. Okay, then once again, they do have a referral program. They also have transparent security and advanced technology. Now, down here in the FAQ, they recap what is New Capital. It says New Capital is a decentralized finance or DeFi platform built on the Binance Smart Chain and the Ethereum blockchain that allows investors to invest their USDT and generate profits through trading bots operated by experienced traders. Now, what are trading bots? So trading bots are automated software programs that execute trades based on predefined algorithms and strategies. In the case of New Capital, these bots operate in traditional financial markets to generate profits for investors, and specifically, these operate within the Forex markets. Now, how do I invest in New Capital? To invest in New Capital, investors connect their wallets and deposit USDT into the platform. The deposited USDT is then used by trading bots to generate profits in traditional markets. Now, what is the minimum investment amount? So the minimum investment amount is just 10 USDT, making it accessible for a wide range of investors, and there is no max investment amount. Now, how are profits distributed? It says profits generated by the trading bots are distributed daily. 70% goes to investors, 20% to the team, and 10% for the referral program. Now, how can I track the trades executed by the bots? So you can track the trades that are executed by the bots on the myfxbook.com website. And we're going to take a look at that in just a minute. That was one of those buttons up there at the top of the site. Now, are weekly profits guaranteed? It says while New Capital endeavors to generate profits through its trading bot strategies, returns are subject to market conditions and there is no assurance of consistent weekly profits. And of course, that's how it goes in any markets when you're trading. So it's good to see that they're so upfront and transparent about that aspect. Now, are there any fees? No, there are no fees associated with investing, compounding, or withdrawing funds in New Capital. So that's yet another thing that makes this platform really unique. As it explained earlier, there's a breakdown where 20% of those profits generated get distributed to the team, with 70% going to the investors and 10% to referrals. So they're getting that 20% in the profits that are generated, which means they don't have to charge any fees. So when you want to withdraw your money, you don't have to pay anything else on top. What you see is exactly what you get. And I think that's a really, really cool system. Now, how does the referral system work? Investors earn 10% of the profits that are generated by the bots for each referral they bring to New Capital. So again, if you're liking the platform, you can share it with your friends and earn a little bit extra on top. Now, can I withdraw my investment? Yes, investors can withdraw their initial investment back. Requests for the reimbursement of the initial capital will be processed and executed on Mondays and Thursdays. Note that if the drawdown exceeds 20% on any given day, the payment of withdrawal requests is deferred to the following payment day. This deferral continues until the drawdown is reduced to below 20%. Now, how can I connect with the community? You can join the Telegram group to engage with the New Capital community. And of course, I'm going to leave a link to their socials, including their Telegram group down below in the description. And then they have a disclaimer down here. It says, important, investing in New Capital carries inherent risks. While efforts are made to maximize profits, there's no guarantee of returns. Investors should conduct their own research and consider their risk tolerance before participating. New Capital does not provide financial advice and shall not be held liable for any losses incurred through investment activities. And that's always a great thing to see, that the platform's being responsible and issuing the necessary disclaimers. They're not making any outlandish claims or promises, and that just adds to their credibility. And then down here under Get in Touch, they've got links to their Twitter and to their Telegram as well. Okay, now back up at the top, let's go ahead and take a look at this second button here that allows us to see their live trade. This is really cool. So when we click right here, it takes us here to this third-party platform called My FX Book, and this allows us to keep track of their trades. So you can see right here, this is New Capital 2024. And right here, you can see all these stats broken down. So their gain, 2.27%. This is broken down on a day-by-day basis. And you can see their average daily and monthly returns, their drawdown, etc. And they also show the balance, their equity, the highest amount, the profit, the interest, deposits, withdrawals, etc. All of that is tracked right here. And then under these tabs over here, they've got the growth. Then you can see the balance, the profit, the drawdown, and the margin as well. Then if you scroll down a bit, you can see these different periods that they have this broken down by. So you can see this on a weekly, monthly, or yearly basis right here. There's the gain, the profit, the pips, the win percentage, the trades, the lots. And of course, this is still brand new, so the week, month, and year are all identical right now. But of course, as time goes on, these will become distinct. Then they have all the advanced statistics right here. So you can see the longs one, the shorts one, the trades, the profitability, the average win, the average loss, etc., etc. Now, if you want to see the open trades themselves, you can see all of that under trading activity right here. So you can see these different trading pairs. And these are the trades that have not yet closed. These are active. So it's really got all the information that you could possibly want to know. And again, this is on a third-party tracking website. This is not something that's just shown as part of their platform. And obviously that gives investors extra confidence. It adds more credibility as well because they're not directly controlling the information, but rather a third party is tracking all of their activity and their trades. So of course that helps to put the mind at ease that they're not manipulating the information and it is all legit. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Now, the next button we're going to check out is the white paper. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so here is the New Capital white paper. So if we scroll down a bit, you see they have the abstract where they're basically just describing the platform. Once again, it tells us it's introducing a pioneering platform at the intersection of traditional finance and cryptocurrency, enabling users to invest their USDT securely. Then again, it tells us it operates Monday to Friday during market hours, and it's essentially a way to earn profits through the traditional Forex markets without having to register with the traditional broker. Okay, then in their introduction, they basically summarize a lot of the things that we've already talked about. So I'm not going to go and read this word for word, but this graphic right here does a pretty good job of showing the basic model. So you're using USDT or Tether, and then you invest that into the protocol, and that protocol takes those funds and uses it in the Forex markets to generate profits, and then it distributes those profits back to the investors in the form of USDT. Okay, now the problem statement, they say many investors are interested in participating in the traditional markets, but hesitate due to the requirement of registering with a broker, and their solution is what they've created here at New Capital. They offer this transparent and secure platform where users can invest their USDT and earn profits generated by the trading bots, and the goal is to generate a minimum of 0.5% profit per day, ensuring consistent returns for investors. And again, I think that that is a pretty healthy goal right there. 0.5% is a very nice daily profit, but it's nothing that's outlandish. It's nothing that's unachievable. So it's high enough to remain attractive because that is a really, really nice daily profit, but it's also low enough to promote longevity and sustainability of the platform as well. So as I mentioned before, I think that's a really, really nice, healthy balance, a good happy medium for this platform. Then they have the breakdown of how the profits are distributed again. Then they talk about their ecosystem. So that consists of investors, traders, and the platform itself. Once again, those profits that get generated from the trading activities are distributed to investors on a daily basis. Then they describe their technical architecture. So again, there are two different chains that you can choose from. So that's the Binance Smart Chain if you want to use USDT BEP20, and the Ethereum chain if you want to use USDT ERC20. Now under investment mechanisms, again, they remind us that the minimum investment amount is set at just 10 USDT. And once you invest, those funds are allocated to the trading bots. and the daily profits are calculated based on trading performance and then redistributed to the investors on a day-by-day basis. Now again, you can withdraw your initial capital, and those requests for the reimbursement of your initial capital will be processed and executed on Mondays and Thursdays. Then they have some info about their trading algorithm. They say the algorithms analyze market trends, price movements, and other relevant indicators to identify profitable trading opportunities while prioritizing safety. And again, their goal is 0.5% profit per day. Then again, they do have a referral system, so if you like the platform, you can share it with your friends and earn a little bit of extra profits on top. And then they have their conclusion and a disclaimer down here. Okay, so that's the white paper. So now let's go ahead and check out the DApp itself. So if we click on Launch DApp, this is what the DApp itself looks like. Now you'll notice right here there's a connect wallet button. So you'll just click right here to connect your wallet, and then you can scroll down, and right here is the invest area. So you'll be able to see your wallet balance right here. And then in this box, you can enter whatever amount of USDT you want to invest. So if you wanted to invest $1,000, you would just type 1,000 right here. And then before you can invest, you have to first approve that amount in your wallet. So you would just click the approve button, then approve that in your MetaMask or whatever wallet you're using. And then once that's confirmed, you'll be able to see your approved spend amount right here. And then you can go ahead and click the invest button to invest that amount into the platform. Okay, so it's just as simple as that. Now, as we scroll down even further, there's the investor section. And this is going to keep track of your total invested amount, your total profit, and your available profit. And of course, that amount is what can be claimed or compounded. So if you want to go ahead and just withdraw your profit straight back to your wallet, you can do that by clicking the claim button. But if you want to compound those earnings, you can do that by using the compound button. And of course, when you compound your earnings, that's basically just taking your earned rewards and using that amount to reinvest back into the protocol, so it gets added to your total invested amount. And of course, the more that you do that, the more that your daily returns are going to be, because you're earning interest on a larger principal amount. And so if you continue to do that over time, there's a bit of a snowball effect, where as your principal keeps growing larger and larger, so do your returns. And the larger your returns grow, the more that you can then reinvest, which makes your total principal amount grow even faster and faster. And I'm sure many of you are familiar with how that works, but it is nice to know that they do have that compound feature right here. But again, if you just want to take your profits every day, you can do that as well, just using that claim button. Okay, then they have the investment history section, which is going to show your history. Your profit history is going to be displayed down here as well. Your claim history will be down here. Obviously, all this is blank right now because the platform has still not yet launched. But once you've actually made a deposit into the protocol, you'll be able to see all that here. Then you can grab your referral link right here. And then if you do want to withdraw your initial investment, here is the area where you can do that. It says, "We would hate to see you go, but if you do want to withdraw, you can use the withdraw initial button right here, and your funds will be returned in the next payment cycle." Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. That is New Capital. Again, I think this is a fantastic platform. It's got a lot of really cool features and things about it that you just don't see with your average DeFi project. Remember, it does launch on Monday, July 8th at 10 o'clock UTC time. And again, I do have the link for this project down below in the description. So I hope you've enjoyed it, guys. As always, if you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already done so, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a new video. Also, if you're interested in trading the crypto markets, you can get up to $5,000 in new user sign-up bonuses when you join the Bing X platform using my link down below in the description. And if you're in a restricted region, you can also sign up to Blowfin using my link down below as well. They're a non-KYC trading platform with no regional restrictions. So go ahead and enjoy the free stuff, guys. And of course, make sure you guys are also following me over on X and join my Telegram group as well. I've got links for all that stuff down below in the description too. And so with that said, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.